Agrifocus Barbados. Today, we'll be looking at the triple rinse method, a vital step in preserving our natural and agricultural landscape. Today, we have with us the Registrar of Pesticides at the Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Nutritional Security, Gennia Oxley, who'll be telling us all we need to know about the triple rinse technique. So, Gennia, what exactly is the triple rinse method?
The triple rinse method is a method utilized by individuals who have used pesticides that they've bought, and they're at the very last bit of the pesticide. Instead of discarding the bottle with that little bit in it, we want you to utilize the little bit as well as rinse the container, and hopefully we'll be able to pull the container from the municipal waste.
So how exactly is it done?
First of all, we want you to read the label. The label instructs you as to the exact amount that you're going to need to use for the size of the plot that you're going to treat. However, if in utilizing your pesticide, you come to that little bit that is remaining after you've measured out the amount, you're going to add that amount to your spray can as well. And once you've added that to your spray can, you want to fill the pesticide container with water, replace the cap, invert it a couple times. You do it again, so we have it done 3 times, thus the term triple rinse. That way you use every bit of pesticide, and you've capitalized on every penny that you've spent on that pesticide.
So the triple rinse technique is only used to save money. Are there any other uses for it?
Well, pesticides are used to treat pest problems, which is a way of making sure that you recover as much as you can in your efforts at agriculture. Because once you have a large plot of land planted with the same thing, it means that more likely than not, you're going to have a pest problem that you may have to treat. But along with that, we see that persons that as they use the pesticides, number one, they're mixing it in the field, and they're not mixing it with PPE, personal protective equipment, which you should be doing when you're mixing your pesticide. When we realize that when persons come to that little bit, they just drop the container in the field beside the crop.
If I have the pesticide in its purest form, but then I add water to it, does that not affect how strong or how good it will be able to work?
Adding water to the pesticide is essential for you to actually carry out your pest treatment. When you read the pesticide label, it's going to tell you X amount of milliliters or whatever, and how much water to add. So in order to carry out the pest treatment, what they've given you in the bottle is the concentrated pesticide. However, what you're going to treat your plant with is a diluted version of the concentrated pesticide. So more often than not, pesticides have to be diluted, especially liquid ones.
And is this something that only farmers should be engaging in?
No. Once you're using a pesticide, so you might have your home kitchen garden at home, and I'm saying if you have a kitchen garden, that should be of a reasonable size that you should be able to manage it without using harsh pesticides. So I'm encouraging you, look for your pests, pick them off the plant with your hands, or sometimes you come across methods that you can source online that use things like neem leaves soaked in water or garlic out there. If you need more information on those types of things, you can also engage the Ministry of Agriculture a call. And I'm saying that you should be using that as a first option as opposed to using harsh chemical treatments.
So as you've heard from Ms. Oxley, triple rinse is better for the environment and better for our agriculture. So start triple rinsing today.